Ang Urdaneta City ay progress na siya ngayon dahil nandito yung maraming malls, businesses, banks, schools. Strategically kasi nasa sentro kami ng business. Sa Urdaneta City ay pinagmamalaki namin dito yung mga markets namin. We have different markets like may public market kami, Bagsakan Market, Pangasinan Agri-Pinoy Trading Center, which is dubbed as Divisoria of the North. Nandito rin yung aming livestock market, yung cattle trading na pinakamalaki sa Northern Luzon. And we have also fish port trading center din. So nandito lahat yung kinds ng trading and business. Urdaneta Mayatong Tatta, authored by our own City Mayor Julio Rami Paraino. So, Mayatong Tatta means napaganda niya yung Urdaneta City, hindi lang physically as a whole. Kasi nakita natin ang pagkakaiba. Sa streets na lang, nakita nyo, ang dami-daming plants. And then, marami siyang napatayong parks. Na-maintain niya yung parks. And then, may mga susunod pang park like yung tower namin. May tinatayong tower doon na yun yung magiging parang isang landmark pa rin namin dito sa Region 1 siguro. Kasi kami yung may pinakamataas na tower. Future plans for tourism, siguro maintenance na lang ng mga naitayong mga tourism destinations. To everyone, please come and visit our beautiful city. Umay kayon, Ciudad de Urdaneta, Mayatong Tatta.
Urdaneta, Mayatong Tatta!